What up everybody, it's Neil here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you this cool product that's meant to be a mini laptop stand, but we are gonna apply it to make our writing experience on our iPad better. So if you look at other mainstream tablets products nowadays, for example the Surface Pro 7, it has a mini stand attached to its back so you can write on it with an angle. So if you like that kind of elevated writing experience, unfortunately Apple doesn't offer that sort of like an attached mini stand yet. So the Rinke Slim and foldable tablet stand is here for you. So, and just before we look into the application and the end result of this product, for those of you that are gonna ask me why I chose this Logitech Slim Folio Pro over Apple's own keyboard that I've actually also have used before, I have to tell you three things. So it's gonna be more protections, and it's gonna be adjustable backlit keyboard with more function keys, and finally one more strap right here. One more little strap to keep your Apple Pencil safe and sound. Alright, let's jump right back to Rinke. So in case you still don't get what this product is, it is a foldable piece made with fine skin leather, leather-like material that will allow you to pop up your laptop or tablet only when you want it to be popped up. So I did a little research and it turned out that Rinke is an accessory provider company that mainly sells through its Amazon and eBay channels. And they also have a ton of other accessories like phone cases, which I've actually just ordered today. They look pretty dope, for your iPhone and other phones. And their name is legally owned by Rears USA LLC, which is registered here in the US and more specifically in Texas. Alright, without further ado, let's take a look into the product and its application onto my 2019 iPad Pro. So it's actually a really slim of paper bag. It has Korean, English written on it, made in China, like everything else nowadays. It comes with the stand in black colorway and protection stickers that are supposed to be attached to the bottom of your laptop should you be using it on a laptop. So once you get it open, comes out, it's empty. Nice black leather-like material, 3M stickers to make sure it's there. We are not gonna be using this stickers because they're for laptops and we are using it on the iPad. So this is it. This is the product when it's not applied, and supposedly when you pop it up later on, it's gonna stand up and it's gonna pop up your laptop to your writing position. There's no menu that comes with it. I mean, it's not gonna be that hard anyways. So if you look at the demo picture over here, so the back of your laptop is gonna be like this, and if you put it this way and this falls out, yep, that's the stand. That's where the stand comes in. So we're gonna try to make sure that this is what we're gonna see when we apply it to the back. And specifically, we are not applying directly to the iPad. We are applying this to the Logitech keyboard. So let's flip it to the back. Especially we're gonna be doing this in this area, I believe. Yep, that's what I want. Okay. Let's take a look. If you trying to stimulate your usual writing position, it's gonna be like this. And once you get it up, you can either do it in this part, in the back, or over there. So my choice would be to put, let me think a little bit, over here, because there's a little strap over here. I don't want to mess with it. If you put it here, it should work, and it's not gonna block the magnetic part that's supposed to keep the strap safe and sound. Alright, let's get to it. Very easy to apply. Get it up, put it back, voila. Now your iPad has a elevated angle for you to write on. Perfect. let's see some shots on the before and after of your writing experience. Alright, so as always, thanks for watching guys. Please like and comment below and let me know what you think about the videos, if there's any question that I could hopefully answer for you guys. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace out.